your HVAC actuator in the dash. That thing had a broken gear in it, so I popped it out. See this? So this is the gear that I took out of it. You can see that crack right there. And so basically what happens is the metal part will spin inside the gear. And I got this other one over here just to show you, but this it's got a potentiometer on the board, which is this guy right here. And so a little gear rides in there. Well, I didn't realize it was popped out, but anyway, so that thing spins and gives the reading that the computer picks up, you know. And so basically what happens is that metal part spins inside of it, that gets out of range, and it just quits working. So what I did is I took that sucker out and put a new gear in it, because I can get gears for $10 and the whole unit's like, you know, 75 or whatever. So and this is a common issue. So I replaced this broken gear, and then just to show you for reference, I wrote it on my wall. But you center up the gear and take a resistance reading with the meter and set it right around 4.3 thousand ohms, centered up. And so I got that done, got it put back in. It's behind the glove box, that too, sort of. I mean, but you just open the glove box, flip it down, and it's kind of back behind the dash. It's a little bit of a pain to get to, but not too bad really. But so that works. So